She's very creative in her work. She asks exciting scientific questions. She and her lab over the years have developed, not only answered their own questions about the organisms they study, but they've developed methods that then other people have applied to the organisms they study. So she's really opened the gateway for other researchers to be successful as well. So she's, definitely a pioneer in the field. In a normal year, she usually has several invited presentations each year around the country and around the world. In spring 2019, she received a big Lifetime Achievement Award at an international conference.
The screening that they've done for new germplasm is amazing. Finding cooperators in Bolivia so that they can actually do screening work in the presence of natural disease pressure. Just an amazing network that she's built around the world, and some of that comes from her previous work with rice, but it also comes from this tremendous pool of graduate students that she's had over the years from all over the world that are still in connection with her.
She's very inspiring. She's so brilliant, but she's humble in her work. She's great with the students. She's very encouraging of junior faculty. She's the official mentor of several assistant professors in our department and an associate professor, and she helps mentor faculty in another department as well.
When I came to Kansas State 5 years ago, Barbara was one of the reasons that I came. I really saw it as an honor to have served a department with the strengths that it has, and with people like Barbara Valent as a part of it.
Dr. Valent has been an exemplary faculty member in the department, University Distinguished Professor actually in the Department of Plant Pathology. What this award represents really is a career's worth of extremely impactful work. And Dr. Valent is among those who really represents the ideals of the land-grant university system. Her work with Wheat Blast is so very important to the state of Kansas. It's one of those rare instances where basic research can be translated into application very, very quickly. I just want to heartily congratulate Barbara for her work in the area, for her making an impact at Kansas State University, and for her being the first scientist at K-State to win both the Eyman Research Award and become a member of the National Academy of Sciences, the first one ever at K-State to be awarded as a National Academy member while she was an active faculty member at K-State.
The only thing that I see as a negative about Barbara Valent becoming a member of the National Academies of Science is it came too late. She has had the strength of her research and the reputation that she's been an Academy member in my mind for years. But I think it speaks to just how difficult it is to make that election. And I think plant scientists have a little bit of a challenge as well, because our science is not necessarily viewed at the same level as human biology or animal biology.
She called me to tell me she had gotten the news from the National Academy, and she was just so happy and excited, and her voice was like shaking because she was so happy and excited, and I did a little happy dance right there in my home office, because she is so well deserving.
It's a great honor to have been able to work with Barbara and to be able to call her my friend.
And a perfect year for her to receive the Eyman Award for research.